Hello? Are you there?
Question, tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring your celly when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get up and leave.
Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my little sneaker collection that I've been building up, okay? So I got, you know what? My sneaker collection when it comes to brands is very minimal because I literally only have about like 4 brands, but I have a few of them. So I really only mess with about 4 to 5 brands. Not that I only mess with only 4 to 5 brands, but these are the sneakers that just always pop out to me. So I get them because I love them. So it is what it is. But anyway, let's get into our sneaker collection. First up, we have our Vans. I have my Vans. I actually have 4 pairs of Vans, but they're kind of old and raggedy. I don't need to show y'all those. I have a pair of white platform ones. I'll show you the white platform ones, and then 2 other ones that are just literally throw around sneakers. But these are my #1 favorites right here. So cute. I had got these when I had went on a trip to Orlando. I still need to put that vlog out. Let me know if y'all want to see that Orlando vlog. So I love these. I already told you, I'm into like a lot of browns and nudes now. So I had to get me some brown and nude and green Vans. Very cute. Love them, love them, love them. Okay. These are the white platform ones. I don't know. I like these, but these sometimes when I put them on, not even when I put them on, when I look at them, sometimes they give me nursing shoes, and I'm not a nurse. So I kind of want to just pass this down to my cousin Tony since she's a nurse. But here they are. Here they are. They dirty. I'm sorry, y'all. I don't really be cleaning my sneakers like that. I leave that up to my man. Because he don't like when I walk out with dirty sneakers. So I'll just act like I'm about to put them on. He'd be like, give me that. Give it to me. Give it to me. And then he cleans it off for me. So that's that. Here they are. Just plain white platform. Got the little things at the bottom, plain. But these are like hospital shoes. They look cute with some outfits, but we're gonna leave those for the nurses. Nurse Tony, paging Nurse Tony. I got these during the Ivy Park era. I thought these were Ivy Parks. They're close to it, but they're not. So here these are. So here these are right here. These are literally, they look exactly like the Ivy Park ones, but they're not. They're close to it. But this is really the only reason I got these, and they were on sale. I thought I wanted to be a little Beyonce. I wanted to be part of the Beehive, but turns out I'm not. Even when I try to be part of the Beehive, I'm not. So, love these for me. They're a little crusty, y'all, but all I gotta do is wipe them off. Or my man, I should say. So, here are these. Very cute, and they're comfortable. And platform. A lot of my sneakers are going to be platform. I love a platform, so please bear with me. My next pair of Adidas are these. And once again, they're a little dusty, but who's gonna clean them? My man. So here these are. And these, y'all, were $40. That's why I was like, hold up. Let me just grab these real quick. $40? Come on now. $40. Okay. I think these are cute. When you put them on with a cute outfit, don't play yourself. And y'all, don't just be going to sneaker stores. Y'all need to go look online at these sales, okay? Because they actually be having some good sales online. So make sure you go online, check out their sales before you even go to the damn sneaker store. Because sometimes when you go to the sneaker store, they don't even have your size, so they may have to order for you online anyway. So look online before you even go, okay? So here are my Pum Pums. Here are my Pumas. So cute. But let me tell y'all, these are one of the pair of sneakers that you gotta break in, okay? Don't ever let nobody play you and try to deceive you and tell you that these things are comfortable on the first wear, because they not. They are not, okay? They are very cute. Love me a cute platform, but baby, the first or second wear is not comfortable in these things, okay? I don't know what it is, but Puma, you missed something. You missed something in the construction of these shoes, because when you put them on for the first time and wear them outside, they are not comfortable, but they are very much cute. So I'll give Puma that, okay? Love these for me. Love these. So those are literally my only Pumas. I thought I had another pair. No, I didn't. I tried to clean these off, but it ain't working. So we're just gonna get into it. Obviously, I wear these a lot. Bada bing, bada boom. When I tell y'all I love these sneakers, I fiend for these sneakers for like almost a year. When they first came out, I was like, dang, look at these sneakers. Like, seriously, Converse is out here doing a thug fizzle, okay? Converse is out here doing it. I fell in love with these when I first saw them, okay? And I had to get them. And yes, oh Lord, I paid $120 for them. Why did I do that? Because I loved them and I wanted them and I got them. Boom. And that was the last time I ever paid $120 for Converses, okay? For Converses. They're a little ragged right now, but once you clean them up, I tried to clean them up and it didn't work. Once you clean them up, fire. I love these. So not only do I have this color, but I also have this color. My sister had got me these for my birthday. Fire. Like, what? Y'all know I love me green, olive, browns, nudes. I don't know how many times I gotta say it, but yeah. Shout out to my sister. Okay? She had got me these like 2 years ago for my birthday. Or was it last year? One of these years. And don't tell her, I still owe her a gift for her birthday. And yeah, not only do I have that color, but I also have this color. So I have 3 pairs of these sneakers. These are actually my newest ones. I haven't even worn them yet. And these I had got on sale for $70. Thank God, because I was not trying to spend another $120 on them. And really, that's the only reason I got them, because they were $70. And the color's cute, so yeah. Love this for me. Literally one of my favorite Converses they have ever made. Like I still love me a classic Chuck Taylor. But baby, Chuck Taylor Converse did they thing with this one, okay? They did they thing with this one, okay? Platform, y'all, listen, I love me a platform, and baby, these were on sale. I think these were on sale for like $20. I'm not even gonna hold you. That's the only reason I got them. And they're cute. And they're green. So here these are. And I don't know what, oh, it's just flowers. Like, it just has flowers on it. I thought it was letters, but it's just flowers. Cool. You see that? Another one that I really love, and of course, it's platform. I think I have a problem. I love platforms. I love it. I just love it. I just love it. You know what I don't really care for in platforms? Crocs. Those platform Crocs, man, they'll twist your ankle real quick, okay? So that is it for my Converse collection. These. And these are not Air Forces. These are women's Nike Court Vision Low, okay? So don't try to come for me and try to make it seem like these are Air Forces. No, as you can see, they are not Air Forces. the platform part is not as thick as an Air Force. So, okay. But I do love these, okay? I'm not even an Air Force type of girl, for real, for real. I actually just got into Dunks this year. But yeah, I'm not even an Air Force type of girl, so don't come for me. But yeah, I got these right here. I've had these for about 2 years now. My man got me these. This is my first pair of Dunks. And they still clean, surprisingly. That's how you know that these are my first pair of Dunks. Because, I mean, my first pair of ones. Golly, I'm sorry, y'all. My first pair of ones. Don't attack me. But yeah, here they are. First pair of ones. Literally my favorite sneaker because they're just so cool. Like, they're literally so cool. Next one I'm gonna get of ones is gonna be the same color, just the blue needs to be green. That's it. I want it the same way, but this has to be green. And that's that. You know, this part. Instead of it being blue, I want it to be green. That's that. Love these for me. Love these for me. These are my Dunks, and this color is the Fossil Stone Black Sail. Fossil Stone Black Sail. Okay, these are a little dirty, y'all, so don't come for me. Or did I clean them up? Did I clean them up? I think I cleaned them up a little bit. Yeah, these are. And yes, these are creased like a mother effer because I don't know, actually. I really don't. I actually don't know why they're creased so bad. But please excuse me. Okay. So here are my Dunks. I feel like with Dunks, you could crease them and they'll still look good. Because those people that be dancing in Dunks, y'all can't tell me they sneakers don't be creased up to the max. Okay? And I know they still be wearing them. So when it comes to Dunks, I think you could crease them up as much as you want. Not too bad. Mine are really bad right now, but once we put the tissue paper back inside of it, it'll be good. But yeah, Dunks. So what did I say? Fossil Stone and Black Sail. That's what these are. Cute. I thought these were chocolate brown, but they're actually burgundy. They're like a really deep burgundy color. But you could still kind of pass it for chocolate brown if you wanted to, because I definitely wore it with brown. Well, right now they're going for burgundy, so excuse what I said about the brown, but in the dark you could pass it for brown. Boom! So cute. When I see them, I'm like, hello, you're coming home with me, which is so bad because I really need to stop shopping. I really do. I really do. Really cute. Surprisingly, these are clean too. I think I've only worn these like once or twice. And I definitely need to wash my hands after I do this because when I tell you I've been touching the bottom of these sneakers, which is not clean at all, very unsanitary. Yeah, Honeydew Summit White. That's really cute. That's a cute name. And it really is a honeydew color. Ow! 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 Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. These are so cute. Once again, when I seen them, I was like, baby, you coming home with me. Okay? Like, seriously? So stinking cute. And I swear, every time I wear these, I definitely always get a compliment like, ooh, those are cute. Like, ooh, I love that color. Ooh, those are cute. Whole time I only wore them like 2 or 3 times. But even my mom, when I have wore them, she's like, oh my God. I have wore them to her house. She's like, oh, Valérie, tenis ça belle, oui? I'm like, thanks, mom. Yeah. But my mother stay gassing me. She stay gassing me. She stay gassing me. But that's my mama though. So yeah, here it is. Last but not least, cannot wait to wear these. Is the last one gonna be platform or no? Let's see. Drum roll, please. Oh, I didn't even notice it was different colors like that. I'm excited because pow. Hold up. Bat out. Stop playing with me. Bat out. Stop playing with me. What? I didn't even notice that there were two different colors. I didn't notice that at all. And then look at the laces. Can I see the laces? How the laces are made? They're like the little frilly socks. And then the little bracelet, the bead bracelet, says Nike. Oh, too cute. When I seen these, once again, I was like, okay, y'all coming home with me. Yeah. Haven't even worn these yet. These are definitely for the spring, which is very, very much around the corner. So yeah. So I think I just dropped some heat on y'all. I think I just dropped some heat. Okay, stop playing with me. Let's just get into one sneaker. Let's just get into one. Come on, focus. Alright. Can I see this? The socks. I mean the socks. The laces and the... Stop playing. So cute. So cute. So stinking cute. Haven't even worn them yet. And that is a wrap. Thank you for watching my sneaker collection video. Comment down below which sneaker was a hit or a miss. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. Make sure you share this video because I know you care. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Question, tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring your celly when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get up and leave.